Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back and glad to have you guys back and here with me to learn about the excitement of cryptocurrency and stocks. So let's get started. I'm here with your daily news and stock reports and crypto news and updates. So today we will discuss Polkadot cryptocurrency. Polkadot's native cryptocurrency DOT has so far managed to remain on the list of top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The latest market events have forced investors to reevaluate their portfolios in favor of digital currencies that have strong fundamentals. But does DOT fit these criteria? Polkadot's multi-chain approach can provide better insights into whether investors consider DOT to be worth having in their portfolio. It announced that interoperability and multi-chain as the future of blockchains are among the key areas of focus during the WEF22 conference on May 16. Polkadot's ecosystem has been growing rapidly as it continues to onboard more projects through parachain auctions. While this approach bolsters the interoperability agenda, it also boosts organic demand for DOT from projects running as parachains. The parachain approach allows the community to support projects that align with Polkadot's values and can provide value to the ecosystem. DOT's price action and on-chain metrics. Although DOT is slated to leverage organic growth as the Polkadot ecosystem continues growing, it is also heavily correlated with Bitcoin. It struggled to maintain a healthy recovery after last week's market crash, in which it bottomed out at $7.30. However, it bounced back to $10.07 at the time of writing. It seems DOT's recovery is currently limited by low buy-in volumes. It is currently trading at a 58% discount from its April 2022 top. DOT's price is also at an 82% discount from its current ADH of $55.09, which it achieved in November 2021. DOT's supply held by Whales metric registered an uptick between May 16th and May 17th, courtesy of slight accumulation. However, the same metric recorded outflows, which have so far pushed back to monthly lows. The metric shows that whales are selling, and it reflects the lack of adequate buy-in volumes and failure to register a significant rally. DOT's developer metric achieved a significant uptick and is currently in its highest monthly range. The uptick is due to the recently announced Polkadot, which also highlights the network's commitment to security. The crypto market abstained from flashing high volatility over the last 24 hours. But with the crypto fear and greed index still hovering in the extreme fear zone, the near-term technicals of Polkadot, NEAR, and Algorand were in the neutral bearish range. Despite an uptick in the prices of these altcoins after rising from their record lows on May 12th, they lacked robust buy-in volumes. After compressing in the $23.10 and $14.40 range for over 3 months, DOT bears finally snapped the 9-month floor at $14.40. The broader sentiment pulled the altcoin market all the way down to its multi-monthly yearly lows. Taking a view of the short-term price movements, the bearish pull from the $14.40 level led the alt to lose more than 48% of its value. As a result, the altcoin tumbled to a 16-month low on May 12th. The $8 support propelled a bullish toward the point of control, red. Now, immediate testing support for the bears stood at $9.83 level. At press time, DOT was trading at $10.71. The RSI has been gliding near its midline while taking a neutral stance in the 4-hour time frame. Any close below the 44 mark could be detrimental to the short-term recovery prospects, as the ongoing narrative for NEAR visibly skewed in favor of bears. The sellers found fresher grounds to rest on over the last few weeks. After dropping towards its 8-month baseline at the $5.70 level, NEAR bulls forced an upswing that the sellers finally negated in the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. With the bears keeping a regular check on the alt's peaks and lows, NEAR lost nearly half its value after reversing from its 61.8% level and dropping toward its 35-week low on May 12th with a visible selling edge in the current market. Buyers found it challenging to uphold the price above 20 EMA. Red. At press time, NEAR was trading at $6.711. Resonating with other alts, Near's RSI saw slight improvements after bouncing back from the 35 mark, but its south-looking tendencies could cause an undesired delay in the revival process. Nevertheless, the CMF would affirm a bullish divergence if it bounces back from its trendline support. As the bears refrain from giving up their advantage, Algorand was on the back foot for the last few months. After dropping from the 38.2% Fibonacci hurdle, the altcoin swooped down to register a 56.9% decline toward its 15-month low on May 12th. Over the last few days, the recent recovery transposed into a bearish pennant pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Any close below the lower trend line of the pennant could hint at an extended bear run toward the $0.38 minus 40 cents range. At press time, Algo traded at $0.448, down by 3.03% in the last 24 hours. The entire crypto market is trying to recover from the recent crash. However, in the case of the Polkadot token, after breaking out of a symmetrical triangle pattern on May 17th and trading above the $10 level, the bears appear to have spotted the coin. How so? After recording a high of $11.29 during intraday trading on May 17th, the bears forced a retracement. This made the DOT token shed 7.24% in under 24 hours, pegging the price per DOT token at $10.36 at the time of press. Similarly, the market capitalization of the coin experienced some plunging, recording a high of $11.2 billion during intraday trading on May 17th. This has since retraced and stood at $10.23 billion at the time of press. Following an increased bearish bias, trading volume has since dropped $102,571,063. This represented a 4.235% decline in the last 24 hours. No place to run to on-chain analysis of DOT's performance in the last 24 hours revealed that all might not be well with this token. From a social angle, the token appeared not to have enjoyed much social rep in the past couple of days. Despite the announcement of its upcoming Polkadot Decoded event, the social metrics have taken on a downtrend over the past few days. 152 at the time of press. The social volume, after recording a high of 887 9 days ago, declined by 82%. Similarly, the social dominance, attempting to record a spike following the intraday high of May 17th, was forced downwards and stood at 0.479% at the time of press. On a developmental front, on-chain data showed no meaningful growth over the last few weeks. May has been marked by a steady decline in the index for development activity for the DOT token. This stood at 352, taking on a downward progression at the time of writing. Interestingly, before you lose all hope as an investor, you should note that a MACD bullish crossover was observed at the time of press, marking their positions below the histogram bars. The MACD line intersected the trend line in an upward direction, indicating a long-term bullish outlook. And that's all I have for you today, and I want to tell everyone to continue to enjoy my videos and keep on buying the dip, because we have such a bright future with stocks and crypto. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe, because I will be pumping out new videos daily. Have a fabulous day and take care of yourselves, everyone.